thing.
Four round things found the table to love.
Yay!
Yes! We got a ring!
So what's the next stop on this imagination adventure, detectives?
Okay, let me look. Okay, this one was Mirror Ball, and on this one was Beach Ball, and this one looked like Planet.
Yeah! Now where can we find a planet?
Space!
What do you think, detectives?
Space!
Yeah! We can find a planet in outer space!
Outer space? Whoa, okay, that far away.
That's gonna take a lot of imagination power.
Don't worry about it. I'm almost sure we can all imagine traveling to outer space.
Well, all right. Let's all imagine and give it a try.
Whoa, me hope this musical have big budget.
Come on, everybody. On the count of three, imagine really, really hard with all of your might that we're flying way up high into outer space. Here we go.
I love everything.
One,
I love
two,
everything. You have done it.
Come up on outer space.
Ah, we did it, detectives. We're in outer space.
This one small step for monster, one giant leap for monster kind.
Houston, we have a problem.
Okay, detectives, you know what to do. Keep those detective eyes open for round things. Oh, like a planet. We need 8 more round things to find Cookie Monster's cooking.
Oh, Detective Elmo, look. A star. Oh, it's not round, but it's a shape.
And it's beautiful.
Oh, little twinkly star. If only you were round. Elmo, me hope me cookie is out there safe and sound. One little star on alone in the sky.
Your eyes go round.
Ever get lonely as the twilight drifts by?
Sky begins to fill. Darkness ends the day. Something Cookie loves is far away.
Oh, one little star reaching far through the night. Do you shine on me, Cookie? Won't you please share your light? Oh, one little star, shine on us all tonight. Oh, Cookie, me can almost imagine you right now in me head. Wait a minute, that's it.
What is it, Cookie Monster?
Me not see anything round yet, but me can use me imagination and imagine something round, like planet.
That's right, Cookie Monster. Ah, Cookie, look. Cookie imagined a round planet.
Me get it. Me been using the imagination this whole time, and me can imagine another planet.
Wow, go, Cookie, go.
And now me use the imagination like crazy and imagine 6 more planets. Take it to board.
That makes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have found 12 round things all together. You did it way too good.
Wow! Cookie Monster did it! Cookie found all 12 round things and used his imagination.
Oh boy, me did it. Me so proud.
Cookie Monster sure did.
And me tip me hand. Imagine that. Imagine that. Imagine that.
Imagine that!
Hold the phone. Wait.
What?
Me found 12 round things. So where me Hope Diamond cookie?
Yeah, we still haven't solved the mystery, detectives. Who has Cookie Monster's cookie? Oh, excuse Elmo. Hello? Hi, Elmo.
Abby, goddammit.
I just wanted to make sure you knew that I have Cookie Monster's cookie. Yeah, but why would Abby steal Cookie Monster's favorite cookie?
Yeah.
I didn't steal it. I borrowed it. Didn't you read the note? Yeah. But did you read the inside?
Who'd have thought?
Oh, I'll read it to you. It says, what I need is some time, so look near and far, and imagine you'll have a new cookie jar. Oh, love Abby.
New cookie jar? Whoa! We not see that part of note.
Boy, how could Detective Elmo miss that? I needed to borrow it because I wanted to surprise you with a diamond-shaped cookie jar to match your cookie. But why did Abby send us off to find 12 things that are rare? So I can turn them into 12 more Hope Diamond cookies for your new diamond-shaped cookie jar. Here comes the magic! Whoa! Yes! Whoa!
The Hope Diamond cookie. You even more beautiful and delicious smelling than me remember. And now me have 12 more just like you. Oh, Abby, me not know what to say. Yes, me do. Thank you and cowabunga.
Elmo thinks he likes it, Abby. Oh, good. Well, I gotta prove. Bye, Elmo. Bye, everyone. Twinkle out. Bye, Abby. Well, detectives, Detective Elmo guesses we figured out the case. Kinda. What a musical. Thank you, detectives. Elmo and Cookie Monster couldn't have done it without you. Well, thank you for coming.
Fantastic theater goers you all are.
Okay, detectives, let's boogie and look for things that are real. Everybody dance like Elmo. Yeah, boogie, baby. Cool dancing, everybody. Yeah, baby, get down with your band down. Way to boogie.
Me looking, but all this dancing makes me miss the cookie. The mood exciting, the music loud. Me just a part of that happy crowd. Me feet go crazy across the floor, but suddenly me sweetie not there no more. Oh, cookie, me lost the cookie at the disco. Me lost the cookie in the boogie music. Me lost the cookie at the disco. Me want it back. Me want it back again. Hey, what that you chickens doing?
The fucking chicken.
Me should have known.
Okay, detectives, what do you see that's wrong?
Oh, me see disco ball. Is that round?
Yeah.
That is one thing that is round in life.
She's a ribbon dancer.
Detectives! Can you see what that Disco Chicken is wearing? That's round? Yeah, that's right. Look, that Disco Chicken's necklace is round.
Holy guacamole, me see it. That's another round thing.
There is another round thing, one round thing, and another round thing. Make one, two round things, two round things bound, and good.
Me love me cookie at the disco.
I want it back.
We want it back again.
Let's see how well versed you are in the proper etiquette for the theater. For example, when you like a song, at the end of it, you can let the performers and everyone know by clapping your hands together. That's called applause. You can, on the count of 3, put your hands together and make some loud and appreciative applause. Let's try it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What an ovation! Good job, everyone! Now, when you see something that makes you laugh because it's just so very funny, what should you do? That's right! You laugh! You can laugh as loudly as you'd like to show the performer just how funny you think they are. All right, so come on, everyone. On the count of 3, show me your biggest and jolliest belly laugh. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. How jovial! Excellent job! What an award-winning warm-up. I think you're ready. All right, places, everyone. It's time for the show to begin. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, put your hands together and let's hear some applause for the star of our show, the one, the only, the furry, Elmo! Let's get on with the show! Ready, Elmo?
Welcome to Elmo the Musical. Boy, Elmo's so happy you're here. Will you all help Elmo imagine a musical? Oh, good.
Ooh, what kind of musical story are you going to imagine today, Elmo?
Well, Elmo doesn't know yet, Velvet. What kind of musical should we imagine together? Let's think. What if Elmo were a detective? Oh, and you can be detectives too. And together, we can imagine Detective the Musical.
What a mysterious and intriguing idea, Elmo. Ooh, why don't you put on your detective costume?
Oh, great idea, Velvet. Oh, Elmo will be right back. Talk amongst yourselves.
Well, I suspect that you've all got some curious imaginations. And using your imagination is a very important part of being a detective. Isn't that right, Detective Elmo?
That's right, Velvet.
Are you ready yet, Detective Elmo?
Oh, almost. But can Velvet give Detective Elmo a big introduction?
I thought you'd never ask. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I present to you that investigative, imaginative, clue-finding super sleuth, Detective Elmo!
And thank you, Velvet. Cool costume, huh? Let's all pretend to be detectives together. Everyone hold up your hands and pretend you're looking through a magnifying glass like this. A good detective has to always be on the lookout for clues. Keep a
Cookie. Bye, Elmo. Bye, Elmo.
Wait, why is Cookie Monster leaving? What's wrong?
Oh, Elmo. Me not want to interrupt theatrical presentation and burden you with me trouble.
That's okay, Cookie Monster. Now, why is Cookie so upset?
Oh, Elmo, me can hardly say.
Well, that's okay. You're
But
not.
me going to anyway. Me cookie is missing.
Missing?
Yeah, missing.
Oh, no!
Oh, yes. And it's me favorite cookie of all time. Me keep it in me cookie cellar. Yeah, it's the Hope Diamond Cookie.
The Hope Diamond Cookie?
You said it, monster.
But why is it called the Hope Diamond Cookie?
Because me can only hope to eat it. Flawlessly cut and sparkly. Perfectly shaped like diamond. But most of all, it's delicious. Me wanted to bring it with me to have for snack at Monster Clubhouse later. But when me go to get it, it gone. And instead all me find is this note. Oh, the humanity.
But don't worry, Cookie Monster. Maybe we can help. Wait a minute! Detectives, what if this is a mystery for us to solve?
I like it. The missing cookie caper.
Yeah, the missing cookie caper. Cookie Monster, Elmo and his friends are imagining a detective musical. And your missing cookie is the perfect case for us to solve.
Okay, what do we have to do to help find Cookie?
First, we have to look for some clues. Come on, everybody. Hold up your magnifying glasses like Elmo and look for clues. Everyone looking?
Oh boy, where
Look
clue?
carefully. A clue.
Come to Cookie Monster.
Wait.
What?
A clue.
Where?
There.
Yeah, but this just note.
Yes, but did Cookie Monster read the note?
No, me too emotionally distraught.
Look, Cookie, there's a message. Oh, can Gavin please read it for everybody?
My pleasure. It says your cookie is missing. It's still safe and sound. To find it, imagine 12 things that are round.
That nice rhyme.
It's not only a rhyme, it's a clue. We have to use our imaginations and find 12 rare things. Then we'll find Cookie Monster's missing cookie.
Yeah, me with you.
But where will we find 12 things that are rare?
Me have no clue.
Wait!
What?
Another clue!
Where?
There!
Oh, hey, where'd that music keep coming from?
Oh, look at these trains!